Perfecting your gratitude, expressions and phrases for thank you and appreciation letters. Hello, language enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to delve into the art of expressing gratitude. Specifically, we're going to focus on using appropriate expressions and phrases in thank you and appreciation letters. These expressions can enhance your letter, making your gratitude more personal and sincere. Before we start, it's vital to understand why the language and tone in thank you and appreciation letters are so critical. The words you choose convey not just your gratitude but also your respect and consideration for the recipient. Remember, the goal is to make your recipient feel valued and appreciated. In a thank you or appreciation letter, there's a basic structure you can follow. 1. Greeting. 2. Expression of gratitude. 3. Details about why you're thankful. 4. Closing gratitude. 5. Sign off. This structure can guide you to include all necessary elements and ensure you convey your message effectively. Your letter should start with an appropriate greeting. Use the recipient's name if you know it. Some common greetings include dear, name, hello, name. The next part is where you express your gratitude. Here are some phrases you can use. I am writing to express my sincere gratitude. I cannot express how grateful I am for. I want to extend my deepest thanks for. I was so pleased when I received. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks for. You should then elaborate on why you're grateful. Here, it's crucial to be specific and sincere. Use phrases like, your help was invaluable when. Your support during specific time or event was incredibly appreciated. I am particularly grateful for your assistance with. Toward the end of your letter, you should express your gratitude once more. Here are a few phrases to consider. Once again, I cannot thank you enough for. I will always be grateful for. Your generosity has truly made a difference in. Close your letter with a warm sign-off. Some examples include, yours sincerely, warm regards, with gratitude, and don't forget to include your name at the end of the letter. That's it, folks. With these phrases and expressions, you can now confidently express your gratitude and appreciation in written form. Just remember, the key to an effective thank you or appreciation letter is sincerity. Use the phrases we've learned, but be sure to adapt them to your own style and feelings. We hope this video has been helpful, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next one.